Suppose you are designing a website or a brochure and you want to add the perfect images in that. Images like a slider, testimonial, our services, and our team. Then what option would you choose? Would you directly import the images into that particular document or remove the unwanted area, or you create a new file, then import or export it into that website or a brochure? But if I let you know that there is a much better option than that. Yes, and this option is a frame tool. And this is our today's topic, and you are watching Adobe Photoshop tutorial part 7, in which we are going to discuss about the frame tool. And this is really a time saver tool if you are a web designer or you are designing a brochure. Here I'm taking the example of website. You can use this frame tool in brochures too. It's really a time saver. Suppose you want to add the slider now there is one option which is really a time and energy consuming. Suppose you want to add slider there, and then what would you do? We would simply import that particular image as a slider. As you can see here, it cover our most of the area in our document. You can find here for that either we can use the masking or we have to paste it into a new document, then import it into here with a perfect size. What this is really a time consuming and this is not so perfect option. So for that we are going to use frame tool, which is a sixth icon, or which is a sixth tool in our tools panel of Adobe Photoshop. You can find it here. By clicking on this icon, the frame tool will be selected, or you can also use the shortcut of frame tool, that is K. For using that, you don't need to do anything. It's really simple and easy for using. Simply draw a rectangular where you want to add your image as a slider, and you will find the size, height and width in the right corner, 700 height and 1920 width of that frame. Now we already selected the frame. As you can find this border here, it means frame is pasted here. Now for adding the image, we don't need to do anything. We just need to paste the image on that frame and it will automatically add it to that particular size. Like I'm going to drag and drop that slider image. For that, just drag on the frame and it will automatically paste it in the particular frame. As you can find it here, it was our frame. Now here is our slider. To change the image, like to change the position of the image, to change the size of the image, we just need to double click on that particular image. Now our image is selected. We can change the position of any picture and the frame, or size can also be changed by using this. And when you click us or on a single click, frame will be selected, double click, photo will be selected. Or you can use the other option, that is on this option, frame will be selected, or if you want to select the image, then click on this option. Now image is selected. As we are going to design a website, it means we need a lot of frames, or we need a lot of images here, like a testimonial images, our team images. Now I'm going to draw one more section, that is our team. Frames can be placed in two forms. One is rectangular and one is circular. We already pasted the rectangular form and now we are going to use the circular form. For circular, just need to click on that icon, and for making a perfect circle, press the shift and you can find it here. Our perfect circle is created, and I want 2 more frames for our team members. For that, I will press Alt or Option if you are using Mac, and Shift and I want 1 more. For that, I'll press the Alt plus option, Alt plus shift again, and here is one more frame created. Now you can find 3 frames are created. For that I just need to drag and drop the images on that, so I'll do that by clicking on this, and here is a frame 1, frame 2, and frame 3. As you can see here, our one team member not looking so good because of the size, because of the position of that image is not so perfect. So for making a perfect position, I'll double click on that image so that image will be selected, then change the position of that picture. Now you can find it here, pictures or positions of the pictures are managed, and suppose you want to zoom particular picture, then simply double click and select the image, or by using a transform, the shortcut is Control or Command plus T. Size will be increased. As you can see, there is no effect on that particular frame location which was selected by frame. It will only increase or decrease the size of picture when you double click on any picture, because by doing that it select the image, not the frame. So this is about frames, which is really time saver and easy process for you. So if you are designing websites, then definitely you should choose that option. I hope you like this video and you learned something from this video. So if you really like this video, then let me know down below your views, what you think about that, and share PIXIPACE YouTube channel with your friends. Also subscribe it, and thank you so much for watching this video.